cereal. For domestic birds, they have what? Short beaks for what? Picking grains. I mean, and under domestic birds, we have that for domestic hen. Have got short blunt what and sharp claws for what? Scratching what? The soil. I mean, then for woodpecker, what did I say? They have got long what? Slender what? Beak. Now, their beak is somewhat like this. In the way that when they put inside, no holes now, are holes always wide. There are some holes that are of small surface area, I mean, but then this beak can but enter and they can pick it. So woodpeckers, they have long slender beaks for what? Picking what? Insects. Alright? So let's continue. Structural adaptation for feeding food by toad. Structural adaptation for feeding food by toad. Which bird has webbed feet? Dog. In your exam, they might just give you a structure. A structure. But you all have your X study. Yes, you have done X biology adaptation questions. You are that around the last set of questions, they get different diagrams. Some of beaks, sizes, and some of the feet. I mean, exactly. Alright, let's continue. Number one, for toad. They have long limbs. They have long limbs. Straight up, you get jump. They up or they jump? They up. Number two, they possess an olfactory organ. They possess an olfactory organ. Now, when you get olfactory, what will I go to? Your nose. I mean, that's on perceiving what smell. I mean, so they possess olfactory organ for the perception of odor of its food. They possess olfactory organ for the perception of odor of its food. This human, you see aroma. Exactly. Number three, their tongue. Is it normal or is sticky? Sticky. Now, if something is sticky, that means it's easy to trap, abi. And if I touch it like this, I can move everything at that part, Which other animal has sticky tongue? Chameleon. I mean, exactly. So number three, the tongue is attached to the front of the mouth. The tongue is attached to the front of the mouth, which can easily be extended. Which can easily be extended to capture its prey. Which can easily be extended to capture its prey. It's prey. Prey. P-R-E-Y. Abi? Yes. Now next one. For insect. Look at insect. Liberal insect. Now, for insect, we have different types. I mean, we have got pressing and sucking. I mean, we have got biting and chewing. I mean, we have boring. I mean, now the mouth part of a pressing and sucking insect. Is it the same mouth part of that biting and chewing?
No.
No. But are they ordinarily upward insects? Yes. Now, right. Piercing and sucking insects. Piercing and sucking insects. They possess what we call what? Proboscis. They possess proboscis, which enables them. They possess proboscis, which enables them to pierce the skin. To pierce the skin. And suck on blood. Example, our brothers, Abi. Sorry, your brothers. Mosquitoes, Abi. Abi, so mosquitoes have what? Proboscis. Abi, I said mosquitoes. Which other insect have proboscis? Butterfly. Abi, aphids also have proboscis now. So aphids, butterfly, and mosquitoes. They protect proboscis. Butterfly, they suck blood. What do they suck? Nectar. Where can you find nectar? Flowers. Good. So this structure of proboscis enables them to what? To suck. Number 2, biting and chewing insect. Biting and chewing insect. Now, any insect that you bite and chew, will they have proboscis? No. What will they have? Manual or maxillary? Abi? Now, the manual we have manual maxillary, Abi? Or upper and lower jaw, Abi? Now, the presence of manual maxillary enables them to bite and what? Bite and so right. They possess strong mandible and maxillary. They possess strong mandible and maxillary, which enables them to chew plant parts, which enables them to chew plant parts and other food substances. Example, termites, grasshopper, cockroach. Cockroach on what? Green leaves, your grasshopper, grasshopper feed on leaves, cockroach, all your boots, all your clothes that they have done justice to. Then termites, your wood, what's nice Yoruba? Econ. Yes, so buy from the wood. How are you that any tree that has fallen and then you see some people in the tree have been carried by termites and by termites internally, If you cannot them outside, but inside they have done justice to the plant. That's why when there is small wind, air motion, what happens to the plant? It falls. Alright. Number what? Number 3, boring mouth parts. That's boring insect. Boring mouth parts. They bore, P-O-R-E, they bore and destroy tissues. They bore, P-O-R-E, and destroy tissues in the plant or grains. The plant or what? Or grain. They bore, P-O-R-E, and destroy tissues in the plant or grains. Examples are our pesticide beans, your weed wood, you have seen the girls hostel, girls hostel is now. Now? Generally at home, if the beans is not kept properly, you see those beans. That's a dot. Not dot though, a hole. And if you look into that hole, will you see it will be like empty, Exactly. So you have done just inside. Those are the things that we want to eat. Alright? Structural adaptation for defense. Structural adaptation for defense. For defense. As a man, if someone is coming to give you slap, or as a lady, you are on their alert. It's not as if it's catching you unaware. Before we enter that of animals. So I want to slap you. I'm serious. When I'm taking my hand, what will you do? Defending himself. If I'm bringing the second hand, what will you do? You will return it. Because I'm trying to defend myself against what? The attack. Same for animals. There are some special features that enables them to be defended against external attacks from other animals or some external forces. Your snake, so beautiful and gentle, two of us. And what do you say? You can carry snake now.
Yeah.
Just carry it, steer, and then like you can feel like this with it now. What will you do? You attack, have you? You attack, and then what? Like head up, Sonic. What does he have? What do you have? Spine, have you? Any animal that wants to eat them, let's go. I want a leopard trying to attack a turtle. But touching it like this, so that song now, that everybody teach you to give. You know when you touch something, your head will reset that no go there. Exactly. Those are physical structures that you have. That is Other example of defense. Other example of defense.
I'm fine.
Toad, yes, toad. They have a poisonous gland, Abby. They are never going to what? Distasteful. To the person that wants to what? What? And when it was slimy, Abby. So that means that even if you want to attack them, they can chip up easily. Of course. Other one. Think. Other one. Chameleon. Yes, for defense. I'm a chameleon. At those days, Ben 10. He has a structure. Like you touch this thing, you don't white. Towards Ben 10?
Yes.
Yeah, that's like a camouflage. I mean, Ben 10, if you touch this thing, you don't this thing. Why are you doing so? To become undetected by what? The enemy. I mean, that's a form of defense. It can either be structural. It's fine. I mean, other one. Occupying. Those spines now?
Yes.
The other one. Skunk. Smell. Eh? Yes. What do you call this? SK. Stop. There is one bad smell now. I think before you eat something, as a man being, at least you must first fill your nose before it enters your mouth, Abby. Your mouth is smelling so bad. You want to try it out? Stop now. Maybe your poop, it smells so good now. Abby now. Let's start, Lord Jesus. Alright, number one, snakes. They attack their enemy or defend themselves. They attack their enemy or defend themselves by biting and injecting venom. By biting and injecting what? Venoms into their what? Their victims. Number two, bees and wasps. What do they do? They sting, I mean. You know, that's why they say that bees sting like man. Imagine they come, just come now, they just come and fish on your body. They sting. If you notice that those bee caregivers, when they go, do they go guarded or they go like I am now? They go unguarded. They go guarded now. Why? Because they are going to cause a discomfort for them. And if a living thing, especially like animal, and I'm causing discomfort to you, I be a lady, and I'm a guy, so that things will not beat another. The only thing I need to report is because you don't have the muscular strength to fight against me. But if you're man to man, what does that? Took my food, did this, defend, punches. Do you understand? Those kind of things. It's like what? Defend. Do you understand? Say for bees. Anyone going to cause a disruption in their home must go covering himself, Abi, because their stings are powerful, Abi. So bees and wasps, they attack their enemies by what? By sting. So they sting them. They sting the intruder. So right. They sting. They have stings for attacking their enemies. Bees and wasps have stings. They have stings for attacking their enemies. Number 3. Some birds have wings. Some birds have wings with strong muscles. Some birds have wings with strong muscles, which enables them to fly away from predators. If I want to catch a hen, and I want to catch a doe, which one will be easier? Why? Imagine hen could fly. I wonder what to be for Christmas. They can fly, but they cannot fly like some particular height, I mean? Yes. Imagine they could fly. That means busy like sickness now. You know sickness now? But then they have what? They cannot fly, but they have wings. They have wings, yes. But their wings, is that another type of flight? No. Same thing I said earlier. The fact that these structures, these animals have similar structures. These structures have different modifications for them. The way they function in one A is entirely different from what functions in B. Next one. Scorpion. They use their sting to attack their prey or defend themselves. Scorpions use sting to attack their prey or defend themselves. Last one, praying mantis. Pray, I-N-G, mantis, M-A-N-T-I-S. Those days of Kung Fu Panda. Praying mantis is there now.
Yes.
Can he fight?
Yes.
No worries, it's animation. So praying mantis, they have sharp spines on the first piece of its leg. Sorry, of their legs. They have sharp spines on the what? First what? Piece of what? Its leg. Of its leg. Here is piece. Of its leg. Now, adaptation for protection in toads. Let's do that. Adaptation for protection in toads. In toads and frog, which one is edible?
Frog.
Frog. So frog is edible, toad is what? Distasteful. I mean, so one. The toad produces a distasteful chemical. The toad produces a distasteful, taste, T-A-S-T-E, full, F-U-L. A distasteful chemical that keeps the predator away from it. The toad releases a distasteful chemical that keeps the predator away from it. Number 2, the skin. Is it slimy or rough? So the skin is slimy due to the presence of a mucous gland. Due to the presence of what? A mucous gland. Sometimes you see MEC or US, sometimes you can see MEC US. Due to the presence of a mucous gland, which makes it difficult to be cut. Which makes it difficult to be cut. Which makes it difficult to be cut. Number 3. They possess a poisonous gland on their skin. They possess a poisonous gland on their skin that makes it distasteful to predators. I think that one is still going in line with number 1, Abby. Yeah. That was still going in line. That was like. Then, adaptation for movement in toads. Adaptation for movement in toads. Adaptation for movement in toads. Toads have long hind limbs. Toads have long hind limbs. Where is your hind limbs? As a man, where is your forelimb? Where is your forelimb? Abi, where is your hind limb? So they have long hind limbs with powerful muscles. Long hind limbs with powerful muscles that enables them to up or jump. And enables them to up or jump. They have long hind limbs with powerful muscles and enables them to up or jump. Number 2. Do they have web feet? Yes. They have web feet to what? Paddle in water, yes. They have web feet to paddle in water. They have web feet to paddle in water. Number 3, they have streamlined body movement. They have streamlined body, for easy movement. They have streamlined body for easy movement. Adaptation for securing mates. Structural adaptation for securing mates. We have 2 sexes, are they? That's what? Male and female. Are we? Well, animals doing they do their own thing. It's just so wonderful. They are doing this, they secure their mates. Come this one. Youth, is there anything you can secure a mate? Victor. I don't think we secure mate. Victor. You secure mate? No, now. Victor. I know that leaves you. Hold on here. Have you now? Yes. But for them, they did their marking some positions that even the next brother come in like I was not part of his life. Alright? Animals and plants. Animals and plants possess special features. Animals and plants possess special features which enables them to attract their mates. It enables them to attract what? Mates for the purpose of what? Reproduction. It enables them to attract their mates for the purpose of production. Number 1, Agama lizard. Agama lizard. Now, the same way that is basking in the sun, you go and meet the person. Meet the sun. So right, the adult male agama. The adult male agama. The adult male agama, which is brightly colored, displays itself under the sun. Displays itself under the sun to attract the female lizard. To attract the female lizard for the purpose of what? To attract the female lizard for the purpose of mating. Number 2, toads. 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 The male toads. The male toads have nuptial parts. The male toads have nuptial parts on their what? On their thumbs. The male toads, they possess what? They have nuptial parts on their thumbs, which they use to hold the female. Which they use to hold the female toads firmly. Which they use to hold the female toads firmly during mating. Which they use to hold the female toads properly and firmly during mating. Now, the mating process in toad is called what? Adaptation. Alright, underline it. The mating process is called amplexus. The mating process. Number 3, bird. Now, the only animal that we know that can play here is peacock now. Peacock is so beautiful. I mean now, is it the male peacock or female peacock that is playing the tail? Is it the male? Is it the male? Yes. So the male domestic birds and peacocks. Male domestic birds and peacocks display their feathers. You bring it out. Even me myself, when we see peacock feathers, aren't you? And it's always beautiful. Yeah. If you can do that, how much the female? The male domestic birds and peacocks display feathers, which adds what? Okay, which is brightly colored, sorry. Which is brightly colored. Which is brightly colored to attract what? To attract females for the purpose of what? Mating. That's the agenda. Mating. Does not exceed that. Purpose of mating. Number 4, flowering plants. No flowering plants also do their own now.
Yes.
When you get to reproduction in plants, you get some petals, sepals, Abby?
Yes.
Yes. Which part attracts insects? Petals. Good. Alright, flowering plants. The brightly coloration of flowers. The brightly coloration of flowers attract insects, which pollinate what? Flowers. Attract insects, which pollinate flowers. For those that saw the past questions, you have seen a question that says that the primary purpose of insects is to what? A, suck nectar, B, pollinate flowers, C, D, and others. What's the answer? Suck nectar. In the presence of sucking nectar, the what? Pollinate what? Flowers. Right. Yeah, please.
I did understand. So they dream an agama lizard.
Agama lizard, okay.
And something like a mark.
A mark.
Yes. In the tail side.
In the tail.
Yes. Like for the you know that I should describe whether the thing is a male
or a female. So the tail that they used to determine. Why go jump? You see. Let me check structure of a male lizard and female lizard. Let's check out the male lizard and female. Wait, the tail that they underline. They do something on the tail. After the body. Yes. Then there's something. Okay, that's a difference in male or a female. Practical biology. Let's check. I think if we differentiating, I'm not really studying lizard, but at least we should know something is of female now. One is through the reproductive organ, but is that I don't know the position of lizard's reproductive organ, so let's just check it. If you have seen something, let us know. So, all right. So, you ask a question. So, from what I've gotten here, they say that around the tail base for a male, it is thicker and swollen. I want to ask you, what the underline was it thick or was it slender? It was tiny. If it's tiny, it's a female. If it's thick, it's a male. But let me read those statements so it makes sense. So for the tail base, for the male lizard, it's usually thicker or swollen at the base. The swelling is because of the male's, you understand? The male's reproductive organ stored inside the tail base. So that means after you got that, so I'm behind this region. You have the reproductive organ, so that region. So that, and because the reproductive organ not seems to have eggs now, so that was causing that what? That swell around there. Do you get? So I see the underline there now. It's also the underline. So this is the underline, and it is thick. According to what you are doing, it is thick. It be a male, but if it is slender. What it's new. Do you guys get it?
Yes.
Do you guys get it? Yes. All right. Thank you for that. So for the video, it will just be smooth, no swells, nothing. I mean, from here to there, it just be normal tail, normal straight, and then get to the tip. And for here, got the eggs that are present here, and they call it maybe balls. It causes a swell for the male. Hope you guys get something already. Alright, so we don't know. We don't know what you can see in the exam. Alright, let's continue. Are we done with this sect? Are we done with this sect? Right? Sorry, preparing plants. So the pollen flowers, Abby. And I said that the question in JAM that says that what is primary purpose and for insect in plants, and that's what soft nectar. So the primary of sucking nectar, what happens? The pollinate was flowers. Alright? Okay, now right. Adaptation of tapeworm in the gut of man. Adaptation of tapeworm in the gut of man. Tapeworm, is it a parasite? Ecto or endo? Endo. Is it found in your small intestine or your right intestine? But for pigs, is it found in the muscle or the small intestine? Muscles. Can you see that I'm thinking? So in the muscles of pigs, you can find them. Can we have two China senior and what? Saginata. But for Solia, we found the word pigs. For Saginata, found the word cattle. Have you? Alright. You can just look them as it's coming and just saying it. Those questions are jam questions. They use Solia, they use Saginata. Alright? Now, your tape bomb. How does it look like? Just now. Two sets up. Now, the tape bomb is something like this. Abi, so these structures here, what do you call them? Eh? What do they use to attack themselves? Hooks, Abi?
Yes.
Then suckers do what? What are those found here? What are these found here? What are proglottids? Matured what? Matured eggs. So after they have been matured, cut off. Eggs are not be there forever now.
Yes.
Abi, they will grow, become bigger and become mature. When they are matured, they drop off. Meaning of you can now handle things on their own. So everything found here are what? The matured one. But I'm going to that. This tapeworm is found in you. Sorry, in humans and in some animals. Because of its parasitic feature, it can adapt itself inside you in a way that its body is resistant to some forces in you. You know that? This body, this structure here, is resistant to some certain things that want to fight against it. Yes, in it. Why to be able to live? Oh God, this I remember. That should video last year.
No.
There was a video I saw. My God, that people was big. When they were doing that, I thought it was a big test time before. But when it moved, that thing was really, really big. The thing had grown in that child. It has grown. It has, and anyone that has people in our system will not grow well, because the things you need to grow are what the brother is enjoying. When the man jail, eat jumper, but this show is no, brother. So it's time to be growing. The egg is on growing. That's why they advise for you to keep what? Deworming. I'm not saying using wire because you know the one. No. There's growth stage. I mean, but it's trying to work once in a while. I remember when I finished quickly. There was a friend of mine that when the educator that time he shot tapeworm out. Yes. And I saw it. I can remember that thing. I went like, see, high school. It was white.
Yes.
And what color is it?
White.
Now I want dot. You had one dot. But then, but sometimes I want to see something. Just this. You know, the person that till now, I know it's now they possess hook and suckers. Abi, now what's the function of the hook for attachment? Abi, listen, I'm trying to use hook. I want something. I'm attaching that thing, Abi. So hook is to attach itself to small intestine. Sucker to suck. To extract nutrient needed for the child's development. Do you understand? So right, number one. they possess hook and sucker for attachment to the gut. For attachment to the gut. Gut, G-U-T. Full stop. They possess a large surface area. They possess a large surface area. For what? For absorption of food. They possess a large surface area for absorption of food. Full stop. They are hermaphrodites. For the absorption of food. They possess a large surface area for the absorption of food. And they are what? Hermaphrodite. That means they have male and female sexes what? In them. Number 2, they are resistant. They are resistant to digestive enzymes present in the body. They are resistant to digestive enzymes present in the body. 3, mature proglottic. 3, mature proglottids loaded with eggs are detached and expelled through feces. FAE. They are detached or expelled through what? The feces. If you have studied your text very well, you see that there is a cycle. There is a cycle. So when the person has been separated, the man goes to the bush to do one or two things. And inside the bush, you have grasses, Abby. And remember that those eggs can be, let's say this thing drops off. It can be like this. Loaded. Abby. Then let's say grass surrounds it. And then innocent cattle just walks around and then feeds. And they just feed on it mistakenly. You understand? It gets injected into what? The cattle, through of course. Remember, man had it, it defecated inside the bush. From the bush, the cattle that was present on the field absorbed it. Then it attacks the cattle, Abby. Then when the cattle had grown and fed, it has become big. Layer or events. You want to do events. You want to buy the cattle. You don't know also. You also aware. No. You bought the cattle, you killed it. That's why it's saying you boil the meat properly. You boil. Because there's probably that you have this. You understand? So if you don't boil properly, you inject it into your what? Your system. That's the cycle of how it goes. Innocent cattle feeding on what somebody had done inside the bush. Then you find the cattle that fed on it. Then you also inject it if it's not properly or well cooked. Do you understand? Alright. Structural adaptation for regulation of body temperature. Structural adaptation for regulation of body temperature. Now, based on the ability to regulate body temperature, vertebrates are grouped into how many? 2. Vertebrates. What are the classes under vertebrata? Param, Parasites, amphibians, reptiles, fish, and what? Mammals. We have those and have prokaryotic and what? Homothetic. Homo, sapien. Homo meaning what? Man. So, Homo. Prokaryotic organisms, and we have prokaryotic organisms. Homo, they are one-blooded organisms. Back forward, prokaryotic organisms. Alright, so right. Based on the ability, based on the ability to regulate body temperature, based on the ability to regulate body temperature, vertebrates are grouped into two. Vertebrates are grouped into two. One, homeothermic organism, and two, nucleothermic organism. One, homeothermic organism, and two, nucleothermic. Now, homothermic. Sorry. Despite the changes in the environment, it remains what? Constant. Let it go, let the temperature of the environment shoot high, come low, but it remains what? Constant. Poke low. Temperature of the environment goes high, the body what? Goes high. It goes low, it goes low. Do you understand? It is not as constant as that of what? Homothermic. So right, homothermic, they have constant body temperature. They have constant body temperature. That is environment. That is the environment does not change or affect their body temperature. That is, the environment does not change or affect their body temperature. Example, mammals and what? And birds. Example, mammals and birds. Number two, poikilothermic. Poikilothermic. Their body temperature changes as the environmental temperature changes. Their body temperature changes as their environmental temperature also what? Also change. Example, amphibians and what? And reptiles. Example, amphibians and reptiles. Can I continue? Environmental temperature changes. So for Homo, if the environmental temperature change, their body remains constant. For Poplo, as the temperature of the environment changes, their body temperature will change. So it's what? It varies. But for Homo, it's what? It's constant. Now let's see how mammals. Regulation of body temperature by mammals. Regulation of body temperature by mammals. Now, how do you regulate temperature? When it's hot? You sweat, Abby? What are the two processes involved? Vasoconstriction, Abby? Annihilation, Abby? Exactly. Whenever it's hot, and why you find yourself now? Why you find yourself? There's it. So I find to what? Balance your Abby? Why you play? And you are hot. You take cold water or warm water? Why do you take cold water? To cool. Abby? Why not take warm water? No, let's talk. Why? The warm water can talk to your body now. It cannot get. Who told you to take cold water? Nobody. But you know when the weather is hot, you fast and cold water. You not drink it. You not drink that they call it Mikon Abi. What's the English of Mikon? This side? Yes. Not do that feeling, you not smile. I think you have won something. But there's a relief. I mean, that comes from what you eat and you have once what experienced. Do you understand? That's like you can call it like regulation of your temperature. Do you understand? Alright. Number one. Mammals possess a fat layer under your skin. Mammals possess a fat layer under their skin. They possess a fat layer under their skin to reduce its loss. To reduce its loss through radiation. When you do under fat, what you do is under fat. Now what? It's insulation. They possess a fat layer to reduce its loss through what? Radiation. Number two, possession of sweat glands. Possession of sweat glands for sweat formation. Possession of sweat glands for sweat formation. And the evaporation of the sweat. And the evaporation of the sweat brings about what? Sorry, its loss. That's how you are finding. Cooling, something is cooling, the body is coming like. Now, when there's fan and there's heat, what does it do? So I said, and the evaporation of the sweat brings about what? Its loss. Brings about its loss. The regulation of body temperature by birds. How birds regulate their body temperature? Birds possess feathers. Birds possess what? Feathers. The birds possess feathers on their skin, which act as an insulator. Which acts as an insulator thereby reducing its loss. Thereby reducing its loss by their body. Thereby reducing its loss by their body. Number two, the subcutaneous. Hearing epidermis, subcutis, and dermis. Abi, under your skin now, Abi. Are you aware of that one? Yes. So, the subcutaneous. The subcutaneous. Now, this layer is like insulation, Abi. Fat layer, that's like the fat layer, Abi. So, right, the subcutaneous part. The subcutaneous fat in the bird forms a layer of insulation. Forms a layer of insulation that reduces its loss from the body. The subcutaneous fat in the bird forms a layer of insulation that reduces its loss from the body. Let's not the fan now. Why do you say no? Why do you say no? Well, you are trying to balance what? Abi? The temperature. Abi now? Exactly. Now let's move on. Water conservation. Structural adaptation for water conservation. Structural adaptation for water conservation. Which plant is found in desert? Cactus. Abia? Yes, you get the word. You get it. Shall we proceed? Can I proceed? Are you following? So far, any questions so far? Any questions so far? Any question? Don't be shy, you know it for yourself. All right. Now, thank you. So, for vasodilation and constriction. Dilate. That means the air is standing, Abi. Constrict. That means what? Abi. Now, if there is, if the temperature is hot, you sweat. Abi, are the air standing or they are closed? Eh? When you have goosebumps, are the air standing? Yes. Now when you are sweating, are they standing or they are closed? They are closed. What's the answer? Can you see me? Can you see me? Can you see me? What do you go for? Which one do you go for? Who is against us? So when are we stopping? So that we know. Yeah. So, listen. For vasodilation, that is okay. So let's use when temperature is cool, Abi, that positive goosebumps. There is standing, Abi, yes. But when it is the other way around, is what is closed. All right. I'll answer the question. No. What's the question? Vasodilation. Yes. When it's hot now, it's vasodilation now. When it is cool, it's vasoconstriction. Is that condition that causes you to have goosebumps?
Sir, I say when it is cold, it actually close, right? When it is cold, it close.
It's not like closing. All this thing is your blood vessels now. The air itself is just wait. What are you saying?
Like, is it when it's cold? Like when I'm feeling cold, like will it bend or it stand?
It will stand now.
Stand, right?
It will stand. When is it vasodilation? When is vasodilation? That's its loss. Abi. When it's undergoing its loss, the air will be down. Your air. This air. It will be down. It will be down. But when the weather is cool, like when the temperature is cool, your air is standing. And that was causing it to what? to Shiva. Confirm. Confirm. Let's ask. Confirm. If you see the form, let me know. Now listen, vasodilation. Widening of what? The blood vessels. In hot conditions, it is lost from the body. It is lost from the body. The air lies flat. What did I say? And that is something I said. Abi, the air was lies flat, thereby causing cooling to the body. Vasoconstriction in cold conditions. S stands erect. Open bracket goosebumps. Don't know what I said? Yes. S stands erect. Open bracket goosebumps. Thereby keeping the what? The body was warm. Do you understand? Should I go? Who is right? Should I go again? Yes. Vasodilation. It is lost from the body. The air lies flat. HIR. It lies flat, thereby causing cooling to the body. For vasoconstriction, in cold conditions, the air stands what? Erect. Causing what? Goosebumps. Thereby keeping the body what? Body warm. And that was something I said. Alright, so where are we?
Structural adaptation for water conservation.
For water conservation, Abi? Yes. So we have different plants. We have the xerophytes, mesophytes, hydrophytes, and what? Allophytes, I think. Right. So for one, plants and animals possess special features to conserve water. Plants and animals possess special features to conserve water. Full stop. Now, plants that do not have plants found in areas and do not have abundant water are called xerophytes. That means the little water that they have, they tend to what? Conserve them. Good. So plants that do not have access to sufficient water. Now I need water. Plants that do not have access to sufficient water. Who needs water? Plants that do not have access to sufficient water are called what? Xerophytes. Xerophytes. Let's spell it. Xerophytes. Full stop. Now the next line. So let's talk about how they tend to conserve water. They tend to conserve. Any plant that will conserve water first must not absorb water. True of course. Now all we do is to have absorption. The root ends. To write. Version of well-developed root system. possession of well-developed root system for water absorption. For water absorption. Number 2. Some plants have thick cuticle. Some plants have thick cuticle. Thick cuticle to prevent water loss. Number 3. Possession of sunken stomata. Possession of sunken stomata. Sunken. Possession of sunken stomata to reduce the rate of transpiration. Now what transpiration? Anybody? Not answer. Or volunteers. Or I point. What transpiration? What transpiration? As you point at me. Volunteer? Yes. What's the name?
Moridia.
Omolara, alright. Omolara, please. Those that need
Shalom.
Now what's transpiration? What's transpiration? Now, plants that undergo transpiration, they remove water in form of what? Wait, hold on, sorry. Hello? Transpiration is the process by which plants lose water to the atmosphere through stomata. Okay. Now they lose water in form of what? Water vapor. So they lose water in form of water vapor. That's transpiration. That water vapor is very important. Who said that there? So they lose water in form of water vapor. That's transpiration. Number 4. Some plants. Now why am I sweating? Transpiration. Why am I sweating? Now some plants have needle-like leaves. Some plants have needle-like leaves to reduce transpiration. Example, cactus. I mean, cactus, you see those spines. Those spines just like so that the water cannot be lost by water vapor. Cactus. Cactus. So brother cactus have it. Who knows cactus now? Know the structure of cactus?
Yes.
Have you seen it before?
Yes.
Alright, so this is cactus.
Ó ti jáde.
Said 500.
500.
Alright, so this is cactus. Can you see it?
Yes.
Can you see the spines?
Yes.
Those online, can you see it? So, this.
Two bags.
Spoon is water. Alright, so listen. So this is it.
You carry.
You can see the spines. You can see the spines. The presence of those spines is to reduce the rate of transpiration. If it was normal broad leaves, evaporation can occur. Abi, all the evaporation. Chemistry student. Evaporation. In form of what? So it goes and what escapes to what? Atmosphere. But the spines, there's no way water can be lost. Abi, so the water absorbed have been stored where? In the water matter. Abi, and then it was used to sustain the plant. Alright, so let's move. Adaptation of animals to water loss. Adaptation of animals to water loss. This one is hot. Very hot. So scorching. Jesus Christ. I'm not sure I think by 1 o'clock. We'll have break. We'll not continue. I don't want to run this. I want us to go. Some animals possess scales. Some animals possess scales on their skin to reduce water loss. Some animals possess scales on their skin to reduce water loss. Number 2, some possess shells. Some possess shells, which reduces the rate of evaporation of water from their body. Some possess shells, which reduces the rate of evaporation of water from their body. Number 3, possession of exoskeleton. Number 3, possession of exoskeleton. Possession of exoskeleton. Made of what? Chitin. Possession of exoskeleton made of what? Chitin. Helps reduce water. Help reduces water loss. Sorry. Help reduces water loss by from the body. Sorry. Help reduce water loss from the body. It helps reduce water loss from the body. Four, feathers. Position of feathers help reduce water loss also by evaporation. Position of feathers help reduce water loss by evaporation. Then your ears also now, your ears, H-I-R-S. Your ears help reduce water loss also. Your ears. Your feathers reduce water loss in birds. Your ears reduce water loss in animals. Alright? So far, you understand? So far. Alright. Okay. So far, any question? Give me your explicit if you have and remit. Alright. A question. What's the difference between transpiration and transpiration? Now, transpiration is what? Amount of water. Abi? Through what? In form of what? Water vapor. Abi? But transpiration. Trans. Movement. Location. A specific place. Now, our action is. Give it to you.
Ife. Ife.
I'm just giving you one. You are it's okay. I know, let's continue.
Ife.
Now for transportation. Sorry, just a minute. Now, for transportation is the movement of manufactured words. Manufactured words from where they are what produced to where they are what needed or what or stored. That's transportation. Yes.
That's All right. So far, having dealt with all this, any question? For transportation, I said it's the moment of what manufactured food, Abi, when they are produced, when they were needed or what or stored, Abi. But for transpiration, is the amount of water in form of what? Water vapor, Abi. That's transpiration, and that's what transportation. All right. Okay, so let's move on to this. No, you have no way to go. This no one know. It's that social insect. And that's adaptation. We still have adaptation. We have competition. So after this, our winter competition. Competition is not much. Just the definition, the types, then what they compete for, and that's all. But selection, you have primary, secondary, climax, and all. So after this part, we go for like a 15-minute break. Take a snack. 15 minutes. You come back. Understood? Understood? Now feed your belly with something. If you are hungry, nothing will enter. Yes. Alright, so let's move on. Now, having done the structures, we now see the coloration. How the coloration tends to affect or helps with adaptation. Now, present on the adaptive coloration, although it can either be concealing. Concealing means to hide, Abi? Yes.
Another name of concealing is what?
Cryptic.
Cryptic, good. Concealing of cryptic coloration. We have got disruptive coloration. We have got wandering coloration. We have got liquid crime. Alright, so right. Types of, write this. Sorry, calm down. Adaptive coloration. Adaptive coloration. It plays
an important role in the adaptation of organisms. In biology, the organism, what's that? Plant and what? Animals. It plays an important role in the adaptation of organisms. Full stop. This is due to a pigment. This is due to a pigment. Thus enabling the predator and thus enabling the predator and thus enabling the predator to catch its prey and thus enabling the predator to catch its prey or enabling the prey to escape from what? The predator. And thus enabling the predator to what? Catch its prey or the prey what? Escaping from what? The predator. Meaning it's either the predator has that particular ability or what? The prey. Do you understand? Predator, our brother, chameleon. Abi? Prey. Grasshopper. Abi now? If grasshopper is in grass, in green grass, do you see it? Primary school, for those that went to school that have grass, sorry. Those days, if you want to catch grasshopper, who kick the grass, who kick it fast, or use a stick. You'll not be seeing them jumping up and down, jumping, and jumping. Now use our eyes to trace where it landed. You now catch it alongside what? One member in it. Please, give me one. You got water? Ah.
Don't give me this side.
Water. Ah. Wow. How many in 2 bags?
6.
2 bags.
32.
I'm seeing water like this.
Listen.
Water.
The highest new naira, the animal kingdom that cannot be differentiated by itself is what?
What? What is it? What is
The highest
it?
new naira, the animal body that cannot be differentiated by itself is what?
That cannot be differentiated by.
What's the answer? Young person 2025.
Bible.
Alright, so let's continue.
Let's not answer to that.
Bible.
Let's find out.
Bible.
Lives of adaptive coloration. Lives of adaptive coloration.
Who knows my alias name?
Mama.
Yeah? No, come.
Lives of adaptive coloration. Number 1, write all this. Conceal of 50. Number 2, disrupting. Number 3, warning. Number 4, leak right. So take them one after the other. The types, those are the types. Conceal of 50. Number 2, disrupting. Number 3, warning, coloration. And number 4, leak right. Good. All right. Number 1, concealing or cryptic. Now that concealing, it means what? It means what? Undetected. Abi? So concealing, it helps both prey and predators remain undetected. Concealing coloration, it helps both prey or predator to remain undetected. Note the coloration. Note the coloration that helps an animal. Note the coloration that helps animal to escape predation. To escape predation is known as protective coloration. The coloration that helps animal to escape predation is known as protective coloration.
Check me back. White adapter, white body.
Example: grasshopper blends with a green grass.
Remove the black one. That's for fun. You're using the white for the foreground. Use white for the foreground.
Grasshopper blends with a green grass. Number 2, chameleon changing its color. Chameleon changing its color. Number 3, the white coat of the Arctic fox. Number 3, the white coat of the Arctic fox in winter. The white coat of an Arctic fox in winter helps it remain unnoticed. Helps it remain unnoticed while stalking the prey. While stalking the prey. Yes.
All these animals that have CD coloration, like are they always conscious that they have coloration?
I'm not the animal. It's like, no.
But I think they should.
Sorry.
I feel they will not know. Why? The main reason why we can
You're streaming live. I'm not gonna say rubbish.
we have voice and spirit, have you? The reason why we are conscious because of spirit, you know that soul is what we are like normal things we are doing, like as normal things we are doing. Like we've been able to respond. But our consciousness itself is spirit. Do animals have spirit? I've answered the question. So I believe they might not know. I don't know. See, I'm not there. You get? I don't think they. I cannot answer that. But I think they don't know. They might just be having like their own normal way of life. But we've been able to study them. Made us like know. But today no. I cannot see. But I don't think they do. Maybe if they have spirit, they will have known. When your man has spirit, maybe when you kill a fowl today, the fowl will haunt you. Yes. But I don't think they know. I'm not sure. I cannot say, but you don't know. Alright. So this is a picture of the fox. See how it blends with the weather?
Yes.
I'm talking. Does it blend with the weather?
Yes.
Does it blend? Imagine this kind of thing. See the fox. Winter is like everywhere is foggy now.
Yes.
What color you see white now, Abi? It's now also white in a white region. Eh? How will the prey see it? He cannot. In fact, even if everywhere is snowy, that means even if the animal is walking, they cannot know because everywhere is what. What they can even if you look what can do well, what they do is that they trace those footprints, Abi. But when the animal is coming, you don't even know. They cannot. So the white coat helps it to remain undetected in their environment during winter season. They are playing itself in the environment, Abi, and then being able to attack its prey properly. Next one. Destructive coloration. Now for destructive, those and they possess stripes, dots, or what? Or patterns. Example, zebra. Other one, leopard. Other one, giraffe. Hyena. Do you understand? Now, anywhere in your question I see patterns, dots, stripes, what's the answer? Destructive. Don't take it twice. Destructive. Destructive. Can you see it?
Yes.
I'm not explaining. So right. Animals possess stripes. Some animals possess stripes and spots. Animals possess stripes and spots. To remain undetected. To remain undetected. Example, leopard, tiger, zebra, and someone said giraffe. Yeah, giraffe has spots, but let's think about it. Can it be undetected? Why? It's long. I mean, even if the grass is gone, grass is very good. You can see it. But those tigers, they go gradually, Abi. Many with what? Dry grasses, Abi. Exactly. But zebra. So I said zebra. Giraffe, like we said, yeah. Fine with that spot, yes. But is it undetected? It's not detected. But does it have spots? Yes. Prayer like the says that some animals possess spots and stripes. For what reason? To remain what? Undetected. Am I communicating? Alright. Number 3. Counter shading. What's that thing? Counter shading. Counter shading. Now for counter shading, the animal plays 2 distinct colors. What did I say?
2 distinct colors.
One is a simple white, and this is what? Just a dark. Where can I find it? Sister tilapia fish.
Sir.
Tilapia fish. Yeah, I tried to ask you, so now find zebra. So right, this is their possession. This is their possession. This is their possession of 2 distinct colors. Open a bracket. Dark dorsal and silvery white ventral. dark dorsal, and a silvery white ventral. That means that the sequence is found at the ventral side, while the dorsal side is dark. Alright? By some organisms, to match the color of the environment, you close the brackets. By some organisms, to match the color of the environment. The question is here, and then don't worry, the person ask the question, don't worry, I don't tell you or you love her. I don't. The question says, can we say pythons also have destructive coloration since they have patterns? Thing number one, for pythons, I don't know if they have patterns. So I want to check. Yes, they have patterns. It's zigzag. Yeah, I've not seen python before. I don't know how it looks like. But yes, they have the short coloration. So can I add that to example, pythons? What is the question? Yeah, young ones. Yeah, young ones. So giraffes and pythons. Giraffe has spots now. Then pythons. So for pythons, they have zigzag structure. Let me check for the structure of pythons. I'm coming. Let's Google. Yes. Oh yes, we have. Oh my God. Yes, yeah. I've seen their structure.
So, can't they both concealing and
They can conceal. The brown grasses, yes. And they can have two.
This is a python. You can see those spots, Abby. I'm coming. You can take a photo on the jab and picture later. But yes, they are also destructive. I've seen their patterns. Alright? Why did I stop in color shading?
yes, counter shade.
Example, tilapia fish. Example, tilapia fish. So all of these are great. If you are viewing from the sky and looking, you will not see it. You will see like a suspended matter. Like what? A suspended matter. You will not see that it's a fish. If you are even below too, let's say inside water, and it's like it's close to the surface of the shore. And looking at it also, you will not see it also. You see another structure. That's the fish. So it's counter shading. I'm not seeing the fish, but I see something different. I'm counter shading. So you are seeing it are below. If you see the dark dorsal side, I see like nylon or something that is black, something that is suspended. You don't be seeing the fish itself. That's counter shading. Alright? Next one, color change. Color change. Question, remember. UTME. The person said that grasshopper was green in rainy season, brown during dry season, and black during bush burning or something. Now, what is the meaning? And the option was grasshopper is normally shaping its skin. Grasshopper is undergoing. I can't remember the option. My first question.
This mountain.
All right. Sorry, please. Everything I'm saying is still under this. I did not. Like it's still under this. Concealing, sorry. The short is still under concealing. Then one is stands alone, the other stands alone. And shade is still under concealing. There are subdivisions under what? Concealing or cryptic. I did not put it well, I don't remember it now. I don't put it well. So everything is under like color change. Concealing. Everything still is around them trying to remain undetected and what? Unseen. So color change. So organisms change their color to look like that of the environment. So organisms change their color to look like that of the environment. Example, chameleon. Example, chameleon. And number 2, grasshoppers. Grasshoppers. They put a semicolon. After grasshoppers, semicolon. From being green during rainy season. From being green, E-I-N-G. From being green during rainy season, comma, brown during dry season. Brown during dry season, and black during bush burning. And black during bush burning. So, for chameleon, what does it do? It doesn't stay near a particular thing and pick the color of that thing. For grasshopper, when environmental changes occur, it tends to go align or blend with it. During rainy season, what's called the grasses? Green. Green. That's why it's green also. During dry season, the plant wither, abi, because it was brown, abi, then it tends to blend. Brown is also brown. Then when there is bush burning, it's what? It's black. Do you understand? Those pictures, those 3 colors, is walk around the fact that the grasshopper is trying to remain what? Undetected. Do you understand? So instead to conceal it what? Its identity. To hide its identity. Number 2, warning coloration. Warning coloration. I have jumped something. Animals that change their skin have a pigment. That pigment is called what? Chromatophores. Right there. Animals that change their skin, they have a particular pigment called what? Chromatophores. This question comes out every year. Jam. Chromatophores. It comes out. I think I've seen it twice. My own example. chromatophores. So let's continue. Bonding coloration. Now for bonding coloration, this is like them tell you that maximum you show the signal that don't come near me. I'm not edible. Don't come near me. You will there if you come near. Like, do you understand? Throwing signs that stay away, stay away, stay away. That's warning. If you're not edgy, you are stubborn. Let me know what is there. You now go. You not there. Yeah. That's not about that. Alright? One coloration. Some animals possess bright color and patterns to announce their presence. Some animals possess bright color and patterns to announce their presence, thereby scaring off animal predators. Thereby scaring off animal predators. Example. Example. Yellow jacket. Yellow jacket. Who has what ant-man? You know yellow jacket? The man created a suit called yellow jacket. Yes. And when they were explaining it was very well. They both brought an insect. Then they were expanding on it. That seems like he said it like a bullet. It's like it pollutes. You don't want to do this. You don't study this. But yellow jacket, it answers his presence by doing some one or two kinds. In a way that you find it difficult to move near. Do you understand? So it's like throwing away that I am around. Don't come here. Do you get it? So that's yellow jacket. And also other wasps. Wasps also. Some wasps also do the same thing. The next one, mimicry. Mimicry. It's just like an animal imitating what is not. Who can show? This is show. This is me. Let's open on side talks. This show and this is me. There is something that I have that show lacks. What I say? There's something that I have that he lacks. That thing that I have can scare off the predators. But Shell lacks it. He's not behaving in a way as though he has it. Do you understand? What I have makes me distinct in the way that when people see me, they run. When people don't see me, they run. But then, Shem can imitate that same ability. Me, I am harmful. He's not harmful. Do you get it? I'm what? I'm harmful. He's not harmful. But when it now brings out that thing that I have, the predators will think it is me, whereas it is him. Do you understand? He has the ability. I have the ability. But what I use mine for is to scare off the predators. Because some of them have experienced my effect, they can attack Sean. He has that same effect, but it's edible. Me, I can scare them off. He now mimics that same ability in me in a way that when they are seeing him or when he does that thing, they will think it's what? It is me. In a way that they don't now attack him. Do you understand? So it's mimicking the ability that what? That I have. If it's a gun, 3, 2, 1, go. Right now. It is the signal that wears off, and then he's coming. He's scared of me, but he's not scared of Sean. You now see this hand go. Instead of seeing Sean, is who is he seeing? He's seeing me. But am I there? Who is there? That's me cry. He's copying that thing in me, but I'm not the one. But they will think I'm the one. They will now run away. That's me cry. Do you understand? Do you understand? What is it? Do you understand? Who doesn't understand? I think that is explanatory enough. So right, it's a condition. It is a condition where a harmless organism is a condition. Let's animal. Where a harmless animal resembles a distasteful or harmful animal. Where a harmless animal resembles a distasteful or harmful animal. So as to wear off or scare what? The predators. So as to scare or wear off the predators. So as to scare or wear off the predators. So far, any question? So far, any question? What's camouflage? Right now. Camouflage. Hello, listen.
For man, cattle, and pig, which one is the primary use for?
All right, so when we talk about this under structural addition, you mentioned something I want to chip in. There is primary host and a secondary host. Are you aware?
Yes.
For Tinian Studio, what's primary host?
Man.
Eh?
Man.
Man is primary host, Abby.
Yes.
What's secondary host?
Pig.
The pig. What's another? What's primary host? Man. What's secondary host?
Cat.
The cattle. So the man is always what? Primary host. Why the animal is what? Was secondary host. Do you understand? Alright. Our first set of today's class will be over when I'm done with this. So from this group will break 15 minutes, stretch, walk. You will now come back and do social insects. Mautran, make it detail. From social insects, we enter competition. For competition, I have a 10 minutes break. Then you now do. You now enter a further session proper. And then we are done. So we can go. Probably by 3 or 4. Should be done. 3 okay. Five. What time should we close?
Alia.
Let's go. Liberal adaptation. Liberal adaptation. Liberal adaptation. Example of try. Number one butterfly. So, here's the general one. In your first question, there's thick insect and twig. There's something that looks like a flower like that under this topic. What else can we say? So this is under liquor. Number one, thick insect and twig. Number two, milk snake and coral snake. Number three, overfly and wasp. So later when you are going to get to, we can do your research on how to them to apply with each other. Do you understand? Alright? Behavioral adaptation. Let me keep story. Let's just go. Behavioral adaptation. There are various behaviors. There are various behaviors. There are various behaviors. There are various behaviors. Organisms exhibit. There are various behaviors organisms exhibit in response to changes. In response to changes in the environment. Full stop. It can be exhibited in the following. You write this. It can be exhibited in the following. Number one, obtaining food. Number two, escape and defense. Number three, surviving unfavorable conditions. Number four, communication. So you can write this: obtaining food, escape and defense, surviving unfavorable conditions. Next one, communication. Next one, finding mates. Next one, caring for their young ones. I'm not just everything. I'm just saying important things there while you are moving. I'm not writing too much notes. Are we done? Are we done? Right, a minute. Shall we? So for any food, you cannot sit in one place. Watches and sees. They just about to talk about it. He flicks it, Abby. Catch up. It's a behavior. Number one, of any food. Chameleon sits, being unnoticed, and trap insects by flicking its tongue. Chameleon sits, being unnoticed, and trap insects by flicking its tongue. Number two, and trap insects by flicking its tongue. Flicking. Flicking its tongue. Hey, any command in this way, you know. Let's confirm a beg. Please, you can guide me. Is it correct? Alright, so we're clicking its tongue. Alright? Number two, ant lion digs hole. Ant lion. He digs a funnel shaped pit. Ant lion digs a funnel. Yes, no, meaningful. Other meaningful. So ant lion digs a hole. He digs a tunnel. And when he digs a tunnel, it's not bury itself underneath it. Do you understand? So it's like something like this. So let's say, so if it's here, it's not bury itself. So all the ants that are coming in, you will not drop. You know that it's like a path now. So they enter. So entry, it's just the body. Do you understand? So it's a failure. So it's not just in itself. Just playing a position, placing a platform where waste can just enter. I think it's a normal place and then it's just level them. So it's a tunnel, then it's buried itself underneath the sand there, then it hits any insect that fall into the region. Alright? Escape and defense. So I'll just be saying it, write what you feel comes to your mind. Now, how do you escape? Imagine no, in our square, there was that time I said a lion ran away with the lion. So see within the, imagine a lion enters here. Me, I'll not run. No. Just like you not see me again. You not be here, but you not just see me. A lion is here. Walks majestically. Yeah. All of a sudden, this gate is locked. It's locked. That door is locked. Once it banded. You know, I think the boys say we're men now. I'm not doing it. Now, the only way we can defend ourselves is to carry down and push. And when land is coming, we stand firm, eating it, defense. Gosh, knife you, to the battery go come. Are you with me? But if this door was open, Jackman now, Everyone is trying to, oh my God. Everyone is trying to, what? Save his or her life. Abi? That's in the one. Some people will climb this thing. Yes. Some people will hang on this window. Yes. Some people will use these chairs to cover themselves. Like, different idea just put your mind. Just what? Defend yourself. Abi now? Yes. But for animals, can they come carry wood? What can they do? They will run. Antelope. Cheetah is coming. What will they do? Big race. So, ways of escape. Number 1, hiding and running. Come on, say use your chair. Hiding and running. Number 2, faking death. Play dead. Those are one and the one. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. It's coming now, don't move, don't move. Want to play dead. Play dead or faking death. Playing dead or faking death. Because the believe that those animals like fresh chickens. Number 3 for toad. Toad swells up. It swells up. Toad swelling up of toad. Swelling up. Number 4, swaying in air. Swaying in air. Number 5, secretion of an offensive odor. Number 5, secretion of an offensive odor. So that's the way they can escape and defend themselves. Next one. Surviving on favorable conditions. Surviving on favorable conditions. So when it comes to surviving on favorable conditions, animals tend to either hibernate or what? Activate or migrate. If they say today that rice, 1 cup of rice will not be sold at 6,000 naira per Congo, provided that the salary of everybody remains constant. Imagine they say that from Songo to Mokola, 1,500 naira. Whether your salary remains constant. And things becomes more expensive and how they used to be. They are on radio. Bobo Nigeria! Tomisin is now selling Congo rice 200 naira per Congo. Or somewhere is a place is a particular location is like 5 times cheaper than what you're experiencing here. You remain here or you move. Don't lie, we know that you're not patriotic, everything at demo. Will you remain here or you move? Why? Because it tends to favor you. Am I communicating? So either you move to a particular place, a better place where you can thrive and survive more easily, or you stay here and suffer the consequences. Some animals, they are no longer food here. They are no longer grasses here. They won't where their grasses. This temperature is too hot. I cannot be active during the day. Come out at night. I will sleep during the day. Come out at night. I'll work during the day. I'll sleep at night. Those are the ways to do their thing. So right. Animals exhibit different behaviors to survive environmental conditions. Animals exhibit different behaviors to survive environmental conditions. Such as high and low temperature and food shortage, such as high and low temperature and food shortage. These behaviors include number one. Number one, estivation. Number two, hibernation. Number three, migration. Estivation, hibernation, and migration. Estivation is a period of inactiveness. It's a period of inactiveness. I'm sure everything I said today is just like one page now. It's like one page now. And there's one page now. It's not one page, you see. Exactly. You want this story, you tell one note. You did not. It's not new. So it's a period of inactiveness. Sin, S-E-N. Sin, during long period of heat. During long period of heat. Or drought. Example of animals that undergo extinction. Number one, crocodile. Example, crocodile. Number two, lungfish. Lungfish. They do so by burying themselves during the dry season. They do so by burying themselves during the dry season. They do so by burying themselves during the dry season in mud. And they re-emerge during rainy season. Hibernation. It is a state of sleep. And greatly reduced metabolic rate. It is a state of sleep and greatly reduced metabolic rate. That enables certain animals to survive prolonged periods of low temperature and food scarcity. Example, insect-eating bats. Example, insect-eating bats. That means we're talking about bats, Abby. Not insects, Abby. Not like eating the bat. So insect-eating bats wake up and feed during warm days. They wake up and they feed during warm days. They wake up and they feed during warm days. Last one for our break, migration. 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 It is a movement of certain animals from one habitat to another. It is a movement of certain animals from one habitat to another, where the environmental condition is more favorable. Why Sulaiman? Where the what? Environmental condition is what? More favorable. So far, any question? Please, do you understand? Have I been explanatory enough? Was I been explanatory enough? All right, so let's do a bit of. Let's do 5 questions. Sit down, my practice. Question 1. The purpose of estimation among animals is for what? A. Conserve water and food. B. Reproduce in large number. C. Survive on favorable conditions. D. Hide from enemies. Survive on favorable conditions. 2. When an animal has a dark colored dorsal surface and a light colored ventral surface, this adaptation is called what? Good. The striking correlation is demonstrated in spots and stripes of I'll say the answer, don't worry. I'll say the answer, don't worry. I'll say the answer. Next question. A screen snake under a green grass from predators because of its A. Destructive, B. Countershading, C. Warning, D. Cryptic.
Cryptic.
Cryptic. Alright. Next question. Long, sharp, curved claws for catching and gripping prey are found in where? A. Duck. B. Domestic fowl. C. Hawk. D. Weaver bird. Alright. In dry season, the body metabolism of some animals slows to a minimal level. This process is referred to as what? A. Hibernation. B. Dormancy. C. Estivation. D.
Senescence. The very bright colors in some mushroom shows that A warning that they might be poisonous. B indicate that they are tasty. C attracts potential transporters. D perform the same function as color of flowers. Warning about their what? Poisonous. Alright. This structure 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can you see it? 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 There are different legs of birds. Which one is most suitable for catching prey? A, the one that is sharp and curved. B, the one that is blunt and curved. C, the one that has web feet.
The one that is
Sharp and what? And curved. How can you find what kind of bird? Hawk or what? Eagle. Alright, go for your break. You see and continue the competition.